The Spanish Teachers Community offers complete AP Spanish units inside the membership. If you teach intermediate levels such as Spanish 3 and Spanish 4, you can also benefit by selecting any of the activities proposed and incorporating them in your current lessons. Each unit includes a unit plan with the day-by-day lessons for easy explanation and easy transition to give your students more confidence and understanding of each topic. A slide deck to help you conduct your classes smoothly every day you meet your students. Worksheets and handouts with tasks similar to the ones in the AP Spanish test. Here's how to access the AP Spanish units. If you have a Google account, you only need to download one file, the unit plan. The slide deck and any other support materials are linked inside for you to create a copy when needed. Having a Google account makes it easier to access the units, but it is not necessary. If you do not have a Google account, you can download all of the worksheets and handouts individually listed in the optional download section. Please consider the following when teaching with our AP Spanish units. Do not share the slide deck file with your students. It includes the links to download the original worksheets and answer keys. Use the slide deck in class to show your students what worksheet they will use or give instructions. Most worksheet tasks require students to produce original responses, but make sure you remove any answer key from your file copies before sharing the links with them. To make these units more engaging, we have incorporated some apps or educational websites. Verify that you have set up accounts and classes on any of the platforms mentioned in each one. For example, Edpuzzle, YouTube, or Blookit. Most of these services are free or have a free version for classroom teachers. Let's take a closer look at the unit plan. We will talk about the table of contents, the unit overview, slide deck references, AP Spanish skills, and worksheet file links. The unit plan is your complete guide to the unit and includes everything you need to teach it. It starts with a bookmark table of contents to help you navigate as you advance through it every day. Click on each link and jump right into the lesson you will teach that day. There is also a unit overview with the themes, essential questions, and tasks. The unit plan also references what slides of the slide deck you will use each day for each activity, plus all the AP Spanish skills for each one are identified in the left column. Finally, all the worksheets files are linked for you to make a copy to your Google Drive. Remember to check if there is an answer key and remove it before you share the link with your students. And now, let's explore the slide deck. The slide deck helps you present the content to the students on the classroom screen. It also has links to accompanying resources, worksheets, and assessments so that you can present or model the directions or have a copy to project when doing class discussions. Remember, do not share the slide deck file with your students since it has links to the worksheets with the answer keys. To know what slides you will use for each class day, check the unit plan. Here are some final tips to help you with our AP Spanish units. We always recommend saving a copy of the original files you download from the community website. Create copies of the files to edit or adapt the content length to meet your schedule. Remove the answer key from any worksheet before sharing it with students. Set up your accounts with the educational apps mentioned and make sure you know how to use them. Finally, check if your school is not blocking YouTube. With these comprehensive units and their activities specifically designed to prepare students for the AP exam, you will provide them with the tools they need to ensure success on test day. If you have any questions, send us a message to support@speakinglatino.com. We will be happy to help you.